Hi everybody, welcome back to the last video of this course. We're talking about creating an idea bank. And what we're doing, again, just to review with everybody, we're collecting vocabulary, we're collecting questions, subtopics, we're thinking about common terms, thinking about examples, and today we're thinking about sample essays. Now, it's very important that you find as many sample essays as you possibly can, because you want to study from these. You want to know what a good essay looks like, what a not so good essay looks like. So where are you going to find these essays? Well, you're going to find them in IELTS and TOEFL practice books, but you can also go online and do the same search as before. You're going to find them at my website at righttotop.com, or just do an online search just like you did for the subtopics, just like you did for the questions and the vocab, etc. Find as many as you can and collect them, and you're going to study from them. Now, it's very important that you don't only look for 9-band essays or 30-score TOEFL essays. You want to find different kinds of scored essays. You want to find that 6.5. You want to find that 20-point TOEFL essay. And the reason is you want to try to figure out, why did this person lose points? Why did this essay get a 6.5 and this essay got an 8? Why did this essay get a 20 and this essay got a 27? Figure out what mistakes the person made so that you can avoid making them yourself. And the key is to write as many of these essays as you possibly can and to try to assess them once they've been written. Okay? And I'll make a different course about how to assess your own IELTS and TOEFL essays, so you know how to improve and get a higher score. Now, once you've collected all these essays, you're not going to just simply read them. You're going to do two things. You're going to study them for sure, but you're also going to use them to help create your own essays. You can take the same task of the essay you're reading and create your own as comparative. But even more importantly, I want you to use the question list you've made. You've collected 20, 30, 40 essay task questions. What are you going to do with all of these? Are you just going to try to read all these questions and do nothing? No, there's a plan here. You're going to start working on your planning stage. You're going to practice planning for your essays. So let's say you have 50 questions. You can take the first 3. And for each essay, spend 5 minutes planning your answer. Plan 1, plan 2, plan 3. When you get to the 4th question, plan for 5 minutes and then write the rest of the essay. Write the full essay in 30 minutes for the TOEFL and 40 minutes for the IELTS. Then, question number 5, 6, and 7, plan, plan, plan. Question number 8, plan and write a full essay. It's very important to practice your planning for these essays because on test day, you must spend a little bit of time planning your essay before you start writing it. Remember, use keywords, use examples, try to include them as much as you can in your practice essays, and then compare them to those essays you've collected. Is your essay more like a 6.5 that you're reading, or does it look more like an 8 that you're reading? And you should start to notice the differences, the grammar points, the vocabulary points, the arguments, the organization. Make these comparisons and try to build up your score. Now, just as an example, I threw one in here. Let me just see if I can get out of the way here. There's a full essay for you. Again, this is a 9-band essay, and don't worry, you don't have to read it here. You don't even have to pause your video. This is available in an ebook that you can download, and I'll tell you about that in just 1 minute. But again, try to get as many different types of essays as you possibly can. Once you have a few collected anyways, once you have a few essays that you have written, ideally, if possible, find someone close to you who can read them and give you honest and objective feedback. And I stress these 2 words, honest and objective. Because if someone is going to give you an 8 on every essay you've written because they want to make you feel good about it, they want to build your confidence, they're actually not helping you. If you're writing essays at a 6.5, at a 6-band, for example, at a 6 level for IELTS, telling you it's an 8 is not helping you. Telling you it's a 6 helps you because now you know you need to improve something and you need to figure out what it is you need to improve. So hopefully the person helping you, like your teacher, your classmate, a friend of the family, or somebody in the family who has strong English skills, can point out the areas where you're making mistakes. If something doesn't make sense, they can show you it doesn't make sense. If it's a grammar issue, they can point it out, vocab, etc. Again, that's the best thing you can do, is get feedback. A lot of people have taken the IELTS and the TOEFL exam many times because they keep getting the same score in the writing section because they don't know what mistakes they're making. Figure out what mistakes you're making, okay? Practice every day, read every day. That's the only way to improve. Now, I know that not everybody has resources available. They don't have a teacher, they don't have a classmate. So, let me tell you a little bit about my website, okay? Right to Top at righttotop.com. There's a lot of stuff there to help you guys out. Now, I have written 5 idea banks. I've made an idea bank for education, another one for sports, health, and nutrition, one about the internet and technology, one about government and law, one about business and employment. These are full idea banks. Each one has about 50 pages, I think. They have hundreds of keywords, at least 20 to 30 subtopics, at least 50 questions each, at least 10 sample essays each, etc. And all kinds of different examples you can use. And I've also created a shorter sample ebook for housing. I think it's about 25, 26 pages. The housing one you can go right now and download for free on my website. The other ones, I'm afraid you're going to have to purchase. But I know not everybody can buy these. So if you can't buy one, or you just don't want to buy one, that's fine. Get the sample one, see how it's done, watch these videos again, create your own idea banks, okay? Very important, very strategic part of practicing and preparing for the IELTS writing. Now, if you don't have someone who can give you feedback, I also offer this service on my website. You can go there and find that out. It's on the homepage, you'll see it. Again, not free. This is a paid service that it takes time and effort to do, but you'll get a very, very good assessment of your writing, very detailed and comprehensive assessment of your writing. There's also a blog that I try to update as regularly as I can. There are other writing samples you can study, including some from students with assessments so you can see why they lost points. There are other resources. Go to my website, look around, do what you can to help yourself prepare for these exams. My website focuses on writing in general, but there's a lot of stuff for IELTS and TOEFL as well. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more regularly and I'll be making like little mini courses as well as some, individual videos to help you guys out. So I hope this course was a little bit helpful. I hope it helps you prepare for the exams. Good luck when going to write these exams. I wish you the best of luck. But again, it's not about luck, it's about hard work. Put in the effort. You'll be rewarded for it, I guarantee you that, okay? If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section below in YouTube here. I'll do my best to get to all of them. And come back again and look forward to my next video course or my next video, whenever that comes out. Don't forget to like these videos, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.